Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. I am also good. Back again with amazing ideas and new style. In this video, I am going to show you wooden projects and newly ideas. A wooden projects involves creating items or structures using wooden as the primary material. These projects can range from simple and functional items to interact and decorative pieces. Wooden working projects often including a variety of skills such as cutting, shaping, measuring, joining, and finishing wood. If you are a wooden work expert, you can try these all things that I am going to show you. Like you can try this amazing clock and household items. You can try kitchen items, different doors ideas, different rooms, bed and side tables, creative and attractive, different planters and different garden items. You can try different holders. You can try different logo. You can try different things from wood, and that I am going to show you all the new, all the beautiful, all the attractive and colorful designing and most demanding wooden working ideas. And I hope you guys enjoy my new video. I hope you guys enjoy my new ideas. You can try wooden sign, you can try wooden plant or kitchen products, a cutting board, furniture, sofa boards, boxes, wooden candle holders. Also guys, you can create these things and sell in online and different markets. So I hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas. So wooden working projects means one time undertaking for the purpose of accomplished and objective contained in the specific line art. And I hope you guys enjoy these amazing and beautiful ideas, and I hope you guys enjoy these amazing and beautiful designs. Wooden working are so demanding in these days. And if you are new, I request you guys please visit to my channel and the playlist, and you can see hundred of new ideas and designs and style wooden working projects I am going to show you are so creative and so beautiful. You have to try this type of wooden working projects and ideas and style. My dear ladies and dear women, if you want to see more videos, if you want to see more ideas and more style, please visit to my channel, and you can see hundred of new videos and images and pictures of wooden working creative things and different items. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing wooden working images and pictures, ideas and style. Hopefully you guys like my new video. Hopefully you guys love these amazing ideas. These beautiful wooden working designing I am going to show you are so demanding and so beautiful. You have to try. Hopefully you guys like my new video. Hopefully you guys love these amazing designs and beautiful style. And thank you very much for watching my new ideas and wooden working designs. We will be right back with another amazing ideas and style and beautiful pattern and new designs. So thank you very much for watching my new videos. Hopefully you guys like my new ideas and designs and styles. See you soon guys in the next video. Keep spotting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy my new ideas and style and designs. So hopefully I am trying my best to show you different designs and different more ideas and style.